Kokand, the heart of Fergana Valley, is considered to be a very wonderful, amazing, romantic, and highly attractive place where you observe not only the culture, beauty, and lifestyle of the people, but also you touch the history and explore many spots which are associated with this central hub. The most important place in Konkan is its central park and the surrounding tourist streets. Now look at the wonderful infrastructure, the design, the entrance gates, and the wonderful masterpieces which provide you a lot of beauty and calm surrounding the whole environment. Located in the center of Konkan, Central Park is a peaceful retreat where nature and city life blend harmoniously. The park is filled with tall, mature trees that cast cool shade over winding footpaths. Throughout the day, sunlight filters gently through the leaves, creating beautiful patterns on the walkways. The colorful flower beds, green lawns, and carefully maintained shrubs make every corner attractive and inviting. Particularly, the fresh air carries the pleasant fragrance of flowers mixed with the scent of freshly cut grass. The most exciting thing in the park is to observe beautiful walkways and relaxing atmosphere. Wide paved paths stretch across the park, making it ideal for leisurely walks. Wooden benches beneath large trees offer comfortable places to rest and enjoy the surroundings. Decorative fountains sparkle under the bright sunshine, while the gentle sound of flowing water creates a calm and relaxing atmosphere. Birds fly from tree to tree, following the park and making it a wonderful spot with cheerful songs that add to its peaceful charm. Central Park is especially popular with families. Parents bring their children to spend quality time together, away from the busy streets. Children laugh as they run across open lawns, play on swings and slides, chase pigeons, or enjoy small amusement rides. Let us ask something. Извините, пожалуйста. Что там?
Там музей.
Музей?
Да,
Музей. Это открыто сейчас?
Да, наверное, открыто.
Спасибо большое.
Давайте.
As usual, even if you are wandering in the park and enjoying the beauty of the nature, it is highly recommended that keep contacting and chatting with the local people. They will provide you the first-hand information and the most important spots within the park and surrounding the park to explore. Families frequently gather under the shades of large trees for picnics, enjoying homemade food and refreshing drinks. During the daytime, as you see right now, there are not so many people. So, if you wish to enjoy a very calm, comfortable environment, or if you wish to enjoy some sort of privacy, daytime is the best to come to the park, wander around, and enjoy each and every element of the park. Such types of structures, platforms, resting places reflect a wonderful culture of Uzbekistan. People love to enjoy these sorts of wonderful masterpieces, especially the wooden structures and the pillars upon which a wonderful artwork is performed. This is considered to be the place where you can even relax for a longer period of time. Close to this structure, we explore this wonderful memorial. These are basically the reflection of madrasas and museums. It is to be noted that somewhere the madrasas have been converted into museums because in the madrasa a lot of information is provided regarding the history, art, culture, and the historical traditions of Uzbek society. So, at one place, you explore many things. It is not only about the beauty and the architectural style of Uzbekistan, but also to explore and compare it with the other Central Asian spots. People do come here to enjoy not only the beauty but also they mark it as a central part where they meet, chat, enjoy, and really feel excited while making it as a reference point not only in their history but also in their traditions and present life.
Что там?
Я не знаю, братан.
Не знаю. Это здание там?
Да, это здание.
Спасибо большое.
We observed another building and we were informed that actually this is the building but nothing important is to see. So this first-hand information always provides you a lot of comfort while wandering around. The playgrounds are full of energy and excitement. If you wish to relax, that is also available. But generally, these types of activities, having a ride of cycle or scooties, it is very common, and on some specific path, you can enjoy a relaxed time while performing these types of activities. Young children especially ride miniature cars, bicycles, and colorful amusement rides. Balloons of every color float above the playground, while vendors sell ice cream, popcorns, cotton candy, and cold beverages. As you continue to move along these beautiful paths, you explore joyful laughters of children filled with the air, creating a lively and welcoming environment. Whatever may be the direction in the park, you always find wonderful spots. Let us ask.
Извините, девушка, пожалуйста, вы можете что это?
Не знаю.
Не знаю. What is this? What is this? English? You speak English?
Узбек.
Huh?
Узбек.
What is this? ये क्या है? फारसी? No? Спасибо большое. Спасибо.
As a test case, we asked these girls in different languages, and they informed that they basically understand only Russian and Uzbek language. They don't know even a single word of English. Now, what is most exciting to see in the park? That is a very calm and comfortable environment, a lot of wonderful flowers, especially dedicated grounds or the flower beds for special type of flowers. These are very common. The people of Konkan in general and the people of Uzbekistan in particular, and most especially the people of Fergana Valley, are very fond of flowers. So they grow and enjoy the nature. They consider that flowers are basically their friends and they provide them relief during the tough times. Students and young professionals gather in small groups throughout the park. Some sit on benches chatting while others take selfies among the flowers and fountains. On the other hand, couples stroll slowly along the tree-lined paths and the flower beds, enjoying quiet conversation and taking photographs in the beautifully landscaped gardens. Friends often relax together with coffee or ice cream while planning their day. There are several spots to explore the wonderful treatment they provide you regarding the ice cream and coffee. As the sun sets over the historic city of Konkan, Central Park transforms into one of the city's most lively and charming, a wonderful gathering place. The warm glow of decorative street lights illuminates wide pedestrian paths lined with mature trees, creating a peaceful atmosphere where residents escape the heat of the day. The cool evening breeze carries the gentle fragrance of flowers and freshly watered lawns, making every stroll relaxing and refreshing. The park's broad, well-maintained walkways invite visitors to take leisurely evening walks. Tall trees form natural canopies above the paths, while neatly trimmed hedges, colorful flower beds, and green lawns add vibrant beauty to the surrounding. Comfortable benches are scattered throughout the park, allowing visitors to sit beneath the shade and enjoy conversation or simply watch the world go by. Fountains become the main attraction after sunset. Their dancing streams sparkle beneath colorful lights, creating a magical scene that attracts both children and adults. The smoothing sound of flowing water blends perfectly with laughter and cheerful conversation. Every road becomes a road of that reflects the pure color of gold. Nighttime is when the park truly comes alive. Families arrive together after dinner. Grandparents stroll slowly while their grandchildren and young parents push baby strollers. along the peaceful paths. You can enjoy a lot of physical and sports activities evening time. Such rides are very common and especially these are very popular among the children. The whole environment becomes a very magical, full of mysteries and relaxation. Children eagerly run towards playgrounds, enjoying swings, slides, and small amusement rides, while parents watch with smiles from nearby benches. Teenagers gather in small groups, chatting, taking photographs, and enjoying ice cream. Friends meet after work to relax, while elderly residents quietly discuss daily life, sharing stories beneath the trees. It is considered to be a very wonderful, very attractive culture of Konkan. The park reflects the warm hospitality of the people of Konkan. Families often spend several hours together, valuing conversation more than hurried entertainment. Respect for elders is clearly visible as younger family members assist grandparents during their evening walks. Children play freely in a safe and welcoming environment, while neighbors greet one another with friendly smiles. Visitors frequently see local couples taking wedding photographs among the flowers and fountains, while musicians occasionally perform traditional melodious songs, historically stories, and wonderful folk music that fill the air with distinctively Uzbek atmosphere.
Admin пожалуйста, девушка, что это? Моски?
Музей.
Это
Музей.
музей. Хорошо.
There are many wonderful spots which are open during the evening and till a late night. They reflect the history, art, culture, and the daily routine of the local people. So that is very important to visit those places. As the evening grows later, the park becomes quieter. The lights continue to shimmer through the trees, fountains gently spark, and people slowly make their way home after enjoying precious moments with family and friends. It is said that Central Park in Konkan is far more than a recreational area. It is the social heart of the city, where nature, community, and tradition come together to create unforgettable evening for both residents and visitors alike. Nearly all the residents consider the park their favorite meeting place. Many spend hours sitting beneath the trees discussing local events, family life, and history, while some gather around outdoor chessboards or play traditional games such as Bankokmon. Their relaxed conversation and warm laughter create a friendly community atmosphere that visitors can enjoy throughout the night. Surrounding and the covering backside of the park is filled with a variety of tourist streets. These are clean and attractive streets. The streets surrounding Central Park are clean, spacious, and beautifully maintained. Wide sidewalk ways lined with trees provide comfortable walk evening during warm afternoons. Decorative flower pots, elegant street lights, and neatly arranged gardens give the area a welcoming appearance. Every street reflects Konkan's pride in preserving its historic charm while maintaining modern public spaces. You can enjoy these types of specialties while wandering in the park, and you will find these are not only having a unique taste, but also these are very cheaper as compared to other delicacies. So these types of delicacies are integral part of visiting the park. During the evening time, the platform, the specially designed structure reflect a different type of light depicting the history and tradition of the Uzbek people. Especially in the evening time, the kids enjoy a lot while playing their favorite sports. Similarly, the monuments, the museums, the art centers are wonderful. Now let us discuss something.
Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum. Как дела? Хорошо? Muhammad Ali. Как вас зовут? Muhammad Ali? Это. Как это? Это. Это. Хорошо? Как вас зовут? Assalamualaikum. Как вас зовут? Как вас зовут? Assalamualaikum. Walaikum assalam. كيف حالك؟ بخير؟
India?
Я из Пакистана.
Pakistan?
Да, я из Пакистана. Хорошо? Вы говорите по-русски, по-английски, по-арабски? हाँ. Вы говорите по-английски? What's your name? What's your name? Yes. Tell
Yes.
in English. Eh?
Yes.
My name is. Yes.
Yes.
Oh, you speak very well English.
Yes.
She speaks very well English. Spasiba.
Now, friends, you see how elegant this museum is looking during the evening time. If you observe the blend of beauty of this building and the background traditional music, you are lost in the history and in the traditions. You are lost in the history of Silk Road. You are lost in the history of traditional families. You are lost in the life of the beauty and the simplicity and the wonderful way of life the Uzbek people enjoy. They are the integral part of their history even today. It is said that if you come here during the evening time and you see all these things, you feel very relaxed and your spirit refreshes just by having a visit to this Central Park. Even during the evening time, If you wish to enjoy privacy or isolation, you are provided. Now look around all the way. You see the people are enjoying the evening wonderfully. It is not only that there is a one specific day when the people do come here. Actually, it is the routine pattern of the local people who do come here, and they enjoy the most beautiful part of their life. They feel relaxed, they feel very comfortable while enjoying the visit of this park and the associated buildings, museums, spots, and many other entertaining spots. Now, all these facilities are free of cost. Somewhere a little amount of fee is charged, but generally all the other spots are free. You can enjoy as long as you wish. Now, see how bustling life you are observing here during the evening time. You don't find even a single moment of isolation. Wherever you go, you find a lot of people are chatting, enjoying, discussing, and even they are ready to welcome you. They invite you to enjoy their company, discuss with them, share with them what you like, and that is the beauty of this wonderful city. It is said that park is considered to be their central home. So that is why everyone considers the park is basically his or her home, and it is the integral part of their life to come here to enjoy each and every activity in the park. It is very popular with the young people to come here and enjoy their relaxing events of the life. There are some cafes and restaurants within the park, but these are not of a grand level. On the other hand, small cafes and traditional restaurants line the nearby streets, inviting visitors to relax after exploring the park. The aroma of freshly baked bread, grilled shashlik, and traditional Uzbek pulao fills the air. Outdoor sitting areas allow visitors to enjoy tea while watching the steady flow of pedestrians. Families, friends, and tourists often spend hours enjoying meals and conversation in these welcoming establishments. The surrounding streets feature souvenir shops, handicraft stores, and small local businesses. Visitors can browse colorful ceramics, embroidered textiles, handmade knives, wood carvings, and traditional clothing. It is a wonderful blend of entertainment, amusement, and shopping. Whatever may be your direction while traveling in the park, you ultimately reach at a wonderful spot, and you consider that these are basically the spots where many hours can be spent and relaxed while sitting on these sorts of benches. One of the greatest attractions of Kokand is the warmth of its people. People love to chat with you. They are very fond of meeting the tourists or the foreigners, and they enjoy their company as long as they are having enough time. On the other hand, the peaceful corners in the park provide you a lot of space to meet the local, chat with them, and have a nice company with them. So let us ask,
Извините, девушка, пожалуйста, если вы хотите, пожалуйста, скажите, что на до себе. Как вас зовут?
Никора.
Зора? Это?
Никора.
Зора. И как вас зовут?
No.
Ну. Как вас зовут? Хорошо. Спасибо. Я блогер, и я могу я использовать? А? Хорошо. Спасибо большое. Большое спасибо.
people are very open, very humble, and highly comfortable to approach. So that is why, if you wish to enjoy the company of the local people, don't hesitate, be open, and give them respect. You will enjoy everything what you like. Now, look how wonderful structures, though these are very simple in designs, but see the elegance that provides the entrance and the exit to the park and to the surrounding tourist streets. These are considered to be the main spots where you enter or leave the area. It is considered to be the reference point or the meeting spot. Now, friends, it is the time to discuss Russian lesson 62. We have started studying different commonly used verbs, and till lesson 59 previously we have discussed many important Russian verbs. Now here we continue from the lesson 59. We discussed some of the important verbs in lesson 59. Now in lesson 62 we continue how we make the pattern of these lessons or the verbs. Now here we have the verb today, spishit. You can make the conjugation of spishit like one या spatial. Two, te species or te species. Sometimes it becomes difficult for you to pronunciate accurately. So that is why it has been recommended that you try to say whatever you like. Ultimately, you will start saying the exact pronunciation or the conjugation of the verb. 3. On, ona, spishit. 4. Me spishim. 5. Вы спішите? Six. Ani spішать. So, more or less, again you see that the ending of the sound for every sort of verb, irrespective of their category, you find the ending of the every conjugated verb is more or less produces the same type of sound. So, it is highly recommended that you fix in your mind the ending of all the verbs in for all categories, and you say that word, and you will be very easily in a position, you will find easily how to pronunciate and conjugate the verbs. So, if some sort of a correction is required, you may do it later. But for the time being, it is the time to learn the verbs. Next, there is a verb for practice. Try it yourself. That is готовит. So, keep learning, keep enjoying. This is the best way to learn and practice the Russian language. First, learn the language this way, then you can practice it.